give you is how to take a blank reclaimed screen and mask it off for your knife cut stencil. Cool? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a blank piece of paper and set it underneath the mesh approximately in the middle of the screen. Then we're going to take our blockout tape and a knife, and that's the only tools that we need for this. We're going to take 2-inch blockout tape and apply it to the well side of the mesh and overlap this sheet of paper that's underneath by about 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 to 3/8, so that we can have that overlap when you go to apply your stencil. So, a couple of thoughts as you're applying this blockout tape. One, the flatter it lays, the easier it is to print. Who can tell me why?
So there's no air bubbles?
Okay, there's no air bubbles. Sure. What else? What's another reason that you want it to be nice and flat?
Can't see through.
Okay, ink can't seep through. Yes, it makes it so that things makes it so that the tape lies a little bit closer together. What about when you're actually printing? If there are no bumps in the tape, no bumps on the squeegee, right? You're not trying to run over a rough road. Right? So again, just overlapping that paper by approximately 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch.
You got a corner.
Yep. Both of those. One thing to keep in mind is anytime you're using a knife on a screen, keep the knife away from the mesh. Why? Yeah. I don't want to have to charge you an extra whatever.
Extra moolah.
Extra money to replace a screen because they're not cheap.
Hey.
Oh boy. Now we've done it.
Right there.
Thanks. Okay. So once I lay these 4 pieces down, then I've kind of established the pattern, and I won't need that paper underneath anymore. Does that make sense?